Hey there. In this quick lesson, we're turning big numbers into readable ones using commas. It is a simple formatting trick, but really handy when displaying prices or totals. We'll use JavaScript string and Regex features to do this cleanly. Let's jump into what the problem is all about. The goal is to improve number readability by separating thousands with commas. We're working with both whole and decimal numbers here. The output must be a string that retains any decimal values. Now, let's check out the JavaScript code that makes this work. We convert the number into a string and then break it at the decimal point. Then, we apply a regular expression to insert commas in the integer part. The decimal, if any, is preserved by joining the parts back together. It's all readable and works for every kind of numeric input. Let's break it down. The regex looks for boundaries where a comma should go before every third digit from the right. We apply it only to the integer part and reattach the decimal if it exists. This is a common formatting technique in many apps and dashboards. Let's walk through a few examples. You can see how even decimals are preserved while adding commas to the integer side. No rounding, no changes to the actual values, just visual formatting. Now, let's check where you'd use this in the real world. This is useful pretty much anywhere where users deal with numbers. Prices, totals, financial stats all need formatting like this. It is easy to implement and improved UX instantly. Let's wrap up with what we've learned today. That's a wrap on formatting numbers with comma. We've kept decimals safe and just polished the visuals of the integer part. This little trick makes your numbers more user friendly in any app. See you in the next JavaScript breakdown. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.